hares roam free, carefree and bold, while pheasants in nets lament in the cold. When I was born, no wars did unfold, no calamity struck as the stories are told. But in my out years hardships amassed, a collection of sorrows vast and vast. Eternal sleep calls with lips sealed fast. Wild hares wandered, freedom made delight, but pheasants caught in traps sweep at their plight. When I came to life, no servitude blight, no disasters loomed in the morning light. Yet as I grew, troubles took flight. Every worry and woe became my flight. Eternal sleep beckons, I shut tight. Wild hares traverse, in joy they roam, while pheasants in snares tremble far from home. At my birth no labor's curse to comb, no misfortunes arose, no need to roam. But in years of maturity, calamities came to dome, each disaster pressing in life's tone. Eternal sleep whispers, ears closed in